How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna tell you what you should do if you see this message, this pop-up on your iPhone saying charging not available, liquid has been detected in the Lightning or USB-C connector. You may see a message like this or like that, but no matter what, if you see any of those messages, you need to take action right now if you still want to save your iPhone. And also, I'm gonna talk about the warranty, the Apple warranty, because I don't know if you know this, but if there is liquid damage on your iPhone, your 1-year limited Apple warranty is instantly voided. But don't worry, because not necessarily because you're seeing this warning, your warranty is voided, okay? So we're gonna talk about that in detail. Maybe you're safe. Okay, so first things first, all of the information that I'm giving you in this video comes straight from Apple. From this page, from Apple support, and a few others as well, okay? I'll have links in the description down below if you wanna check it out. As you can see here, if you see liquid detection alert on your iPhone, there's a ton of information right here, a ton of technical information. And of course, what I did is condensed this information and then created this video for you. So guys, this warning right here, it means just one simple thing, that the iPhone detected water right here in the charging connector, in the Lightning or USB-C connector. There is water in here. So that's pretty much why it generally will give you this warning when you do this, when you charge your iPhone, when you're charging it, because that's generally when it detects the problem. Please keep in mind that sometimes you will see the pop-up even without charging. Even while using your iPhone on the go, you may see this warning, but as I said, generally it will pop up when it's charging. And on top of that, as I said, this is saying that there is water here in the connector, not necessarily inside your iPhone. We're gonna talk about that later in this video. So the thing is, if you see the warning, regardless of what you're doing, you need to do a few things. So if the warning pops up when you plug in your iPhone, you need to immediately remove from the charger. Remove it straight away, okay? This is super important. Sometimes you will see the pop-up and the iPhone will still be charging. So you'll be charging your iPhone normally, and then you see the pop-up. You must remove it as well. As soon as you see the pop-up, remove the charger, okay? That's thing number one. Thing number two you need to do is, of course, turn off your iPhone. So go ahead and press the side button and volume up or down, okay? Press both of them at the same time and turn it off. It's not locking the screen, okay? It's actually turning it off. This is super important, guys. The next thing you need to do is actually go ahead and tap and do this process, okay? So bump the bottom here of your iPhone where there is the connector, right, on your hand, but do it gently, okay, just like that, because if there is still water here, excess water here, it'll just go away a little bit, okay? After that, all you have to do is place your iPhone on a flat surface like a table or something, as you see right here, and wait. And you wait for 30 minutes. Please keep in mind that if you have a well-ventilated area with some airflow, with some wind blowing, awesome. It's even better. It'll help even more, and it'll make your iPhone dry even faster. Now, this is super important, guys. That's the only thing you have to do. Don't try and dry your iPhone any other way. Like, for example, don't use a hair dryer. Don't place your iPhone in a bag of rice. Don't try and do anything different from this. Do what I'm telling you. Do what Apple is telling you. As I said, everything comes from Apple support. So you don't need to do anything. Just place it on the table with some airflow and let nature do its thing. Don't do anything else. If you use rice, actually, you're gonna make things worse, because there are some small particles in rice that may actually enter here at the bottom of your iPhone, your connector, and it's gonna do much more damage. If you go ahead and use some hair dryer, as I said right here, or if you even blow, it's worse, because maybe there's just water right here and you're forcing water in. So this is a bad thing to do. So again, all you have to do is let nature do its thing. For 30 minutes, leave your iPhone just like that. Don't do anything to it. After the 30 minutes, you can go ahead, grab your iPhone, and turn it back on as you would normally. Nothing special here, just turn it on and wait for it to boot up. After that, slide up, type in your passcode, and then of course you can go ahead and try and charge your iPhone once again. So put it on the charger and wait. If your iPhone is normal, perfect, charging, no warnings, no pop-ups, nothing, great. You don't need to do anything else, your iPhone is good. But of course, wait a little bit more because we're gonna talk about that warranty thing, and I'm gonna tell you how you can check if there is water inside, because until now we're just talking about water here in the connector, but we're gonna talk about water inside the phone as well, and the warranty voided and everything like that. Okay, so stick around. Now, if you are unlucky and after the 30 minutes you still see the pop-up, you still see the warning, you're gonna need to repeat the process. You're gonna need to remove it from the charger once again, you're gonna need to turn it off once again, and you're gonna need to wait this time 24 hours. So do the exact same thing, turn off, leave it on a flat surface, well ventilated with airflow and everything like that, turned off for 24 hours. Again, Apple's recommendation, right? So do that, wait those 24 hours, then turn the iPhone back on and try and charge it once again and see if the pop-up, if the message is still there. If it is, then there's nothing else you can do at home. It can be a few things. It can be some damage, it can be that some of the components are damaged, so there's nothing else we can do at home if you wait 24 hours and still getting the warning, right? Now, if that's your case, what you need to do is contact Apple. You need to go ahead and try and locate an Apple store, an Apple center. You're gonna need to take to Apple because you're gonna need to actually open your iPhone and see if there's something wrong inside, because there's probably a hardware issue. Maybe your iPhone is dry already, but there is a permanent issue. And since we're here talking about Apple and opening up the iPhone and everything like that, let's talk about warranty, because this is a very important part. And as I said, if there is water inside or any kind of water damage, your warranty is voided. Okay, so let's talk about that, because there's actually a very easy way we can check at home if there was water inside the phone, right? So we can use this other page from Apple support as well, because all iPhone models have a little sensor, a little sticker actually, which is called an LCI, which is a liquid contact indicator. So if we scroll down here, you'll see that every single iPhone model will have this LCI in a different location, more or less around the same area, but slightly different, and they generally are going to be in the SIM tray, inside the SIM tray. Some older iPhone models will be in the headphone jack, okay? But most of them will be inside the SIM tray. And the thing is, if you're like me and you have an iPhone 15 or 14 and it's an American model, unfortunately you won't be able to see because there's no SIM tray, right? But for all the other models in all other countries in the world, you will be able to see, and I'm gonna demonstrate with this old iPhone 8 here. So if I go ahead and remove here the SIM tray, as you can see, right? Right here inside, it's super hard to see, it's pretty much impossible with this lighting. You can see the LCI, so you probably need some flashlight and even some magnifying glasses or something, but you'll be able to see that, okay, at home. And the way it works is super simple. If you see the LCI and if it's white or silver, great, there was never water inside your iPhone. But if it is red, it means that there was at some point water inside, even if it was just a little bit and it dried off very fast. No matter what, once it becomes red, it'll always stay red. And this indicator, this LCI becoming red, means that your warranty is voided. Okay, so that's pretty much the way you can tell if this water contact that your iPhone had was just in the connector or if it went inside the iPhone. So if the LCI is white, it was just here. Once it dries off, great, no problem at all, you're safe. If the LCI is red, the water came through, and then your warranty is voided. Of course, I'm talking about the 1-year warranty. So if your iPhone is older than 1 year, is over 1 year, then your warranty is voided anyway. But that's everything you need to know about water in your iPhone. Water in the connector, water inside, what you need to do, warranty, absolutely everything you need to know on this subject. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.